Hey guys, today we're having a look at the Gigabyte. Hey, who put the cheesecake on the motherboard? Guys, today we're having a look at this Gigabyte H410MS2H. This motherboard is a little Micro ATX motherboard, and there you can also see a bit of specs and stuff on it. It's just a basic motherboard, not so basic actually. It's 10th gen. It's got apparently RGB controllers or plugs where you can plug in your RGB lights and all the usual Gigabyte stuff. So let's have a look. I see it can also take a NVMe. So yeah, let's have a look. Alright, so let's open it up. Let's see what's inside. Okay, there we get our little header plate for the back, and then two SATA cables. One is a 90-degree bend and one is straight. So and there is the motherboard. Okay, so there you can see the NVMe slot, PCI Express slot, PCIe slots, and all the I/O connectors. Let's turn it around so you can see properly. It's got a DVI, VGA. I don't know why they put PS2s on here anymore, but on these basic boards, yeah, maybe people have still got old scanners, handheld scanners, or barcode scanners, or old keyboards and mice or stuff. This one has also got HDMI, so you've got three different options for screens. Two USB 3s at the back, two USB 2s, and the normal audio plugs. Oh, I see, four USB 3s at the back, 2s at the back, and then all your normal headers to connect everything. There's the USB 3 for your front panel on your chassis. You can connect your USB 3 there. It's got four SATA connectors, and you need a power supply with a 8-pin or two of those 4-pin 12-volt connectors, or VGA connectors, or whatever they call them. And yeah, that's it. Don't know if there's anything else I can show you. It uses DDR4. All the specs you can find online, but this is how the board looks. There we go. Thanks for watching.